Let's replace the AC compressor on this 2017 Chevy Traverse. This particular Traverse, the AC compressor started leaking all the freon, so we're just going to replace it. I'll post the link in the comment section below for the parts and the tool used for this job. Before you proceed with this, I will highly suggest you take the vehicle to a shop and have them evacuate the system before you do anything, because you don't want the freon to go to the atmosphere. Highly suggest you take it to a shop. The first step is take the passenger side tire and remove the splash guard, the wheel liner. The wheel liner is held by 3 to 5 push pins and 2 T15 screws. So when I'm taking the push pins out, you're gonna use a trim tool like this to do this job too. Good. It is the 2 T15, and there are 2 T15 on the other side, right there on the corner. And we're going to, the good thing about this job is GM was nice enough to give you the option to take half of the wheel liner out instead of removing the whole thing. You don't need to remove the whole thing at all. You get it out. So here is our AC compressor. The first step is take your drive belt out. Make sure you pay attention to the orientation of the belt. Screenshot the picture here so you can remember where the belt goes when you're done. So we're gonna turn the tensioner clockwise so you can relieve the pressure of the belt. There you go. And we're going by to unplug the connectors. The AC compressor got 2 connectors, one at the bottom, and there is one on the side of it that for the clutch. I'm gonna use a pick. My hand couldn't reach up there. I'm gonna use a pick like this to remove the connector from under the vehicle, or maybe you can try to do it from the wheel well itself on the passenger side to unplug it. There you go. Good. Now we go back on top. We're going to remove the engine cover so we can remove the AC compressor line. It is held by a 30mm nut. Is that one down there? It's in the back of the compressor. Let's remove it. Here it is. And the next thing is to remove the 50mm bolt in the back of the compressor to the block. Is that bolt right there? We need to remove it. It's in the back of the compressor. It's hard to see it, but it's in between the motor mount and the compressor. You're gonna use a 1/4" extension in the long 15 to remove it. And there is 2 15 here, one 50mm bolt at the bottom. And there is a 50mm nut on top. Good. And now we're going to remove the nut there. It is a 50mm. Now we're gonna use a e-tox socket to remove the stud out of it so we can have more clearance. This is the e-tox socket. Our compressor is free and it's ready to come out. Good. You see the freon, the green stuff all around it is the freon. Make sure you replace your O-ring for the compressor. You're gonna use a pick to take them off, or you can use a pocket screwdriver. Here is the new compressor, and here are the new O-rings. And gonna clean the lines with some brake cleaner from dirt and debris, and put the new one in. Put the small one in now. Good. Make sure you put the cap back on when you're putting on the compressor back in the vehicle, so dirt or fluid don't fall inside of it. Alright, the new compressor is in. We're going to run the bolt through the studs. And we're going to put the the back bolt in. You're gonna have to be a little bit creative here using my Milwaukee ratchet and extensions. Now let's plug out the connectors, the sides, and the bottom one. I'll put the nut back in. Good. Now pay attention to the orientation of the belt so we can wad it properly. Our new belt is in. And that will be it, guys. Put everything back together. Will be the next step, and we fill the system with our 124A. If you don't have the machine, take it to a shop so they can refill it for you. Make sure you plug your line in and put that 30mm nut. Here is the AC machine. Once again, I don't expect everyone to have that machine. It's a $3,000 to $5,000 machine. So take it to a shop so they can evacuate it and refill it when you're done. And that will be it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.